I'm Harry Burdett, and this is Burdett Metalsmithing Design. We do all things metal, architectural, custom jobs, jewelry. You should also come down and take a class. Let's take a look around. We got to cut and abrade metal, lay stuff out, and as always, get it hot. Homemade forges and store-bought propane forges, self-contained pneumatic hammer. We got some custom knives here. These are some Indonesian fighting knives made out of 1095 and high carbon steel. And this here used to be a truck axle.
These are some of the knives that I made here at Harry's school. These are just made of different tool steels, but of varying different shapes and grinds.
We got an artsy side. We do Mokume Gane jewelry also. So my favorite, the Zombie Killer.
So these are some material tests. This is all the kind of stuff I demonstrate in the blacksmithing classes. From barrel hinges, leaf pads, what's that, cross peen texture, all kinds of stuff. Light switch covers, hooks, decorative mirrors, there's a candle holder. And this is what you're making today, Need.
A belt buckle.
A belt buckle.
All right, it starts with raw material, 10 fingers, 2 eyes, most of my own teeth, and very little talent.
So most of what we're doing while we're doing blacksmithing is waiting for stuff to get hot.
I'm good at waiting. I can stand around all day long.
Get it hot. Wow. Come out of here, take your brush, clean it off, and those chisel marks we made earlier are now visible.
Right?
Probably get you a glove. And then that will come off real easy.
Can we make
Scrub
some
that
more?
off. You gotta be able to see your marks. There we go. And now we're back to routine. Cool. What's happening once the steel comes out of that forge? Harder. Harder. Okay, so that'll probably come out.
How much of that do I need to do?
That's about harder, a little harder. There we go. Yeah, sorry. Comes with the territory. Okay, so that's welded. You can see how it's all heating this one too, right? Yeah, just check what you're doing as you go.
And at the end of the day, 10 fingers, 2 eyes, the same amount of teeth, but perhaps just a little more talent. There's the belt buckle.